The task of an accountant is to take all the transactions in your businesses and figure out a way to create a report about what happened last month, last quarter, or last year. The financial people take your historical information, and with that, they project, they forecast, they plan, they figure out if you're going to run out of cash, they figure out if you're going to have cash to make payroll, they get financing deals, they figure out what kind of funding you need, budgeting, all of that is finance. So you have a group that does the numbers historically, and then you have a group that analyzes the numbers. There's two reasons why I think this is a fundamental concept that anyone who's not in this area should understand. First, when you're dealing with someone in the finance area or the finance group, you need to know who you're dealing with. The accountants are trying to get historical information. They're closing the books, right? They're trying to get accruals. They're trying to get information so they can try to, as best as they can, accurately measure what happened in a prior period. Whereas the finance people are rounding, they're looking more theoretically, they're looking for estimating. So you're going to get different personalities in these two groups. In fact, the skill set is very different. A lot of us take really good accountants and try to put them in finance. It doesn't work very well. And vice versa. I'm very much a finance person. In my little company that I work with, by the way, I didn't say this, but my little company, we've designed and built 3 of our own roller coasters now. And we just put a bunch of components in the Harry Potter ride for Universal Studios and that kind of thing. So we've kind of split that business off, but we still do that. And we're probably about 70 employees now, still doing our thing. And have done well through the recession, even added some jobs this last few years. But back to my point. Accounting is historical and getting at the numbers. Finance takes those numbers and projects forward. Understand who you're dealing with when you're talking to these people. Don't try to force someone in one area into the other.